Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I made $7 affiliate commission with affiliate marketing using Facebook and YouTube. So if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business and want to know how I made affiliate commission, then yes, go and watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how I made $7 affiliate commission with affiliate marketing using Facebook and YouTube, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that if you want to know how to make $1,000 per month doing affiliate marketing, then go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link. In this ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business. Right? So now, without any delay, let me show you how I made $7 affiliate commission with affiliate marketing using Facebook and YouTube. Right? But first, let me show you my results. You can see that I have made $7, right? 6 referral, 19 clicks, 2 customers. You can see that. By the way, I know that you might be thinking that $7 is a very less commission. I know that. But yes, the strategy that I'm gonna tell you, by using this strategy, I have made over $20,000 in affiliate commission, right? But just to show you that how thing works, how you can make your affiliate commission doing affiliate marketing, then I'm just showing you that how I did, or you can say how I made my $7 affiliate commission with the program that I'm promoting right now. So now, as you can see, actually this is the person, and he's a very great guy. He met me on Facebook, and when we were having conversation, he told me, hey Pankaj, I'm following you since last 3 years, you can say. And I was like, wow, last 3 years. And then he said, you are doing great, you are providing great value through your content, and I have learned a lot about affiliate marketing through your content. So I was like, wow, that's great. So you can see that. So he just purchased the program that I'm promoting. Good morning, Pankaj. Send me the link, please. Let me try to purchase. Very good morning, bro. I'm sending you link now. But do one thing, clear your all-time cookies from your browser and open the link using incognito mode. So actually, it's a technical thing, right? Awesome, bro. It's to be safe side. Whenever we put card details, always use incognito mode, private mode to open the link. And here is the link. You can see this is my affiliate link, right? Yes, guys, this is very important. Whenever you are going to put your credit card details, so always use incognito mode or private mode, right? Now you can see I have given my affiliate link, and then you can see that he has purchased the program, joined. That's really great. Many congratulations. Welcome to affiliate marketing world, right? So he has purchased the program through my affiliate link. Now there is another guy. Actually, so I finally took course. I was afraid I had missed it. You are asking about Jet's course, am I right? And then she said, yes, I took it. That's really great. So you can see that. So these 2 persons have bought the program that I'm promoting. So now you might be thinking what I did. So here, before telling you the strategy that I applied, let me tell you the one hardcore truth. And this is, understand this from the core portion of your heart, that nobody going to buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you. Yes, this is very important to you to understand. People, they start doing affiliate marketing, and within 1 week or 2 weeks, when they don't make any money, they start saying, hey, I haven't made any money. This is not legit. This is not working. Come on, understand this. Now you tell me, if somebody comes to you and he or she sells any product to you, will you buy from that new person, new guy? I hope your answer is no. And same thing apply to me too. I won't buy. But if I know this guy and if I have trust on this guy, then definitely I will buy from that guy. If he is promoting something that really you can say that really valuable to me, that will solve my problem, then definitely I will buy. And same thing for you, you will buy. If you have trust, if you like that guy, if you know that guy, right? So same thing works here, guys. Nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you. So how you let everybody know you, like you, and trust you? Through your content, through your valuable content, right? So don't worry, I will show you what content that you can do that, or you can say you can promote. So first thing that I did, I picked affiliate product that is proven to convert and has lots of buzz in the market and pays commission up to $3 to $5,000 or more. So yes guys, if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you pick a product that is proven to convert and has lots of buzz, has lots of noise, where people are talking about this product, that they have got results and pays you low ticket to high ticket commission, right? So in my case, you can see that I have picked the product that has lots of buzz and it is proven to convert. And yes, one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you are going to promote any product or going to pick any product, always see who is the owner. That always see that whether there is a goodwill in the market of that product owner. If you see that yes, there is a goodwill, he is a great guy, then yes, go and start promoting it. If you see that there is no goodwill and there is no, you can say, no buzz about that product, don't promote it. And yes, never ever promote any product just for the sake of making money. Understand this, people buy because of the value, because of the trust, because of the goodwill. So if you are promoting any product that doesn't provide any value, your credibility will be gone, your business will be gone, your trust will be gone. So never ever promote any product that has no value. Always promote the product that has value, that solves the problem of your ideal prospect. So for that, first you go through the product, and when you see that yes, it's a great product to promote, then go and promote it, right? So yes, pick the product that is proven to convert. And second thing, what I did, I created you can say simple 2-step sales system, so I could build email list and promote my affiliate offer. Yes, this is very, very important. If you are new, go and build your email list and create a simple 2 steps sales system so that you can promote your affiliate offer. Let me show you the sales system that I have created. Let me show you. Yeah, actually this is the system that I have created using GetResponse, right? So down below I have put the link. If you want to check out that GetResponse, you can go and check out. So if somebody comes on this page and put his name and email address, it's a dummy email that I'm putting, right? So after putting his name and email address, then that very person will go to my second page. This is very simple page. Thank you. Don't make things overcomplicated. Make things simple, right? So this is my you can say affiliate link. If somebody clicks on that, then that very person will be redirected to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, right? So I have created 2-step sales system. Now next thing what I did, I built my platforms on Facebook and YouTube where I could interact with my ideal prospect and my ideal prospect could interact with me. And on these platforms I started providing value, solving the problems of my ideal prospect, and could give solutions, promoting my affiliate offer. So here overall idea is that I see that most people, they say that, hey, I don't know how to get traffic. Here understand this, traffic is everywhere. The problem is you don't have your own platform where you can interact with your ideal prospect and your ideal prospect can interact with you. So go and build your own platform, guys, so that you can promote your affiliate offer, providing solution, providing value, right? So this is what I did. So let me show you my platform that I created. So this is the first platform. This is my, you can say, Facebook, where I provide valuable content almost on daily basis, right? And by providing valuable content, what I'm doing, I'm building the trust. I'm letting people know me, like me, and trust me, right? And this is my second platform, and this is my YouTube channel through which I'm providing valuable content that solves the problem of my ideal prospect. Like my content, like you can say, like there are so many people, they don't know how to start affiliate marketing. So I have created a video on how to start affiliate marketing. People don't know what type of content to share. So I have created a video on that, what type of content to share, right? And you can see that people search on I don't know how to get traffic. So on traffic I have created the, you can say, content, right? People don't know how to create email sequence, so I have created email, can say a training on creating email sequence, right? People don't know how to create landing page, so I have created a training on how to create landing page. So you can see that there are problems of my ideal prospect, and considering the problem of my ideal prospect, I have created the content. So same thing you have to do whenever time comes to create a content, whenever time comes to provide value to your ideal prospect. So these are the two platforms that I built where I could interact with my ideal prospect and my ideal prospect could interact with me, right? But here point to note is that whenever you are new to this affiliate marketing, I would say just focus on one platform. It can be Facebook or it can be your YouTube channel. Pick one and master it. Don't try to learn every traffic source. If you do that, then definitely you will be overwhelmed, right? So don't do that. So first guy that I was telling you, he was watching my YouTube channel, and from there he connected with me on Facebook, and from there he bought my program. And second person, you can see that she's messaging me. You can see that, right? There is a message. So she connected with me on Facebook, right? So that's how I get traffic. That's how I get customer. First, I provide value. This business is all about value, guys. You make money for the value that you provide in the market, right? So next thing, finally what I did, I gave it at least 6 to 12 months time to see results, doing everything what I was supposed to do on daily basis with laser focus, having patience. Yes, I see that somebody who's new, within 1 week or 2 weeks, they want to make money. Whenever they don't see any results, they see, oh, this is not working. So here I would say have patience. Give at least 6 to 12 months time doing what you are supposed to do on daily basis with a laser focus, right? So here I would say don't jump on one sign object to another, one program to another. Have faith in one program and keep promoting that program at least 6 to 12 months time, right? So this is what I did, guys, and this is my strategy that made me over $20,000, and that made me $7. So yes, you can go and apply this strategy in your affiliate marketing business, right? So now finally, yes, if you want to check out the program that I'm promoting, you can go and check out in my description or bio. And yes, if you go and buy this program using my affiliate link, then yes, I will give you my free coaching for 1 hour worth $997 value. So yes, if you are serious and want my coaching for 1 hour, then yes, go and buy this program using my affiliate link and just connect with me on Messenger, or you can send me the email at support@affiliatecommissionsecrets.com. Don't worry, I will put the email address, right? Or you can connect with me on Facebook. Down below I will put the link, right? So once you buy, just let me know and we will fix the call, right? So that's it for today. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. And down below there is also bell notification button, so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.